Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your Dropbox account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you can open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for a new tab and searching for a Dropbox.com and press enter. At the official web page of Dropbox, you can see sign in option. Click on sign in. First, you need to get logged into your account by providing registered email address and password. So go for it. Click on sign in. You have been logged into your account. At very first page, you can see profile icon on top right corner. Click on it. Here you can see options of settings. Click on settings. As you can see many options in personal account, you can see security option. Click on security. Little down you can see the option of password. Just aside of it you can see change password. Click on change password. To change your password, first of all, you need to provide your current password. So go for it. Now go in for providing a new password for your account. Click on change password. Your Dropbox password has been successfully changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your Dropbox account password. Thank you.